Do you understand English but still feel scared to speak? You know words, you know grammars, but when it comes to speaking, your mind goes blank and you are unable to speak any sentence. If yes, then this video is for you, because in today's video I'll show you the best way to learn English from the zero, step by step. So listen carefully and just watch till the end if this problem happening with you. The first and the most important thing is your mindset. Yes, you don't need perfect English, you just need confidence. When a baby learns to speak, he makes a lot of mistakes, but he still speaks. And after some time, he starts speaking very well. You don't need to wait for perfection, because fluency comes from speaking, not from thinking only. And the second is, start with daily life sentences. Don't use big grammar books. Start with daily life small sentences. For example, I wake up early, I brush my teeth, and I eat breakfast. I go for school, I go for office, and I am learning English, like this. You just need to describe your life, like whatever you are doing in your life and whatever you are just observing. And third is, think in English. Don't try to translate from Hindi language to English language. Like what's happening, listen carefully. There are a lot of beginners and there are a lot of learners who just trying to speak. What they are doing? They are doing like this, and they are just trying to translate from Hindi language to English language in their mind. And while doing this, while translating in their mind, they just got stuck at the time and they just confused at the time, and they will take a lot of time to express their self, whatever they has in their mind. You are just translating from your mother tongue to English language. Because of that, it's happening a lot. So you don't need to do like that. Just try to think in English, okay? Then after, just start speaking. Just suppose that मैं चल रहा हूँ, okay? Like you are just speaking and you are just talking with your mind, like मैं चल रहा हूँ, and you are just like thinking in your mind मैं चल रहा हूँ, and then after you are just trying to translate that thing. You don't need to do like that. Instead of speaking that thing, मैं चल रहा हूँ, I am walking, मैं चल रहा हूँ, I am walking. You just need to directly think in your mind to English language, okay? When you start thinking directly in English language, then after you will get a lot of time for speaking. You will never stuck at the time and you will never get confused, okay? And it will become very easy for you to express yourself, whatever you want to speak, okay? So just try as much as possible for you to think in the English language. Fourth one is, speak alone. Yes, listen carefully about this section, because this is one of the biggest problem of every beginners who is just trying to speak. You'll have to speak at least 5 minutes in front of mirrors, okay? Listen how. And they have the doubt of this, like how we can learn and how we can speak with ourselves and how can we do practice alone, because they are just thinking, if I get a proper English environment and if I get a partner who can speak with me and who can do practice with me of English language, then after, that is the only way to do practice. And I will do practice when I'll get a lot of things, when I'll get these things. And they are just waiting for the partner and they are waiting for the environment of English. Because of that, they are not aware from this, like they can easily do practice with their own self. If you are also thinking like that, like how we can speak and how we can do practice with our own self, so let me tell you, my friend, how you can do this. You just need to simply have a mirror. Just go in front of mirror and start talking with your own self and start talking about your day, like whatever you'll have to do and whatever you have made the plan for your day. Just describe those things and just go in front of mirror and just stand straight and just talk with yourself. I will do my homework, I will do, and I will learn 5 new words, and I will do a lot of things. This is not only one way to do practice. You can easily do practice, like let's suppose that you have a mirror. Just suppose that you have a mirror in front of you and you are just about to start speaking in front of that mirror, and just you can easily talk about your life. You can easily talk about your dream, Like dream means whatever you want to become in your life, like doctor, engineer, etc. Whatever you want to become, just try to describe those things in your own word. Whatever you want to become, and as well as you can easily talk about your village, wherever you are living, like about your village, about your city, okay, and about your school, colleges. Like just describe as much as possible for you. And I'm not giving you a big task. You can you'll have to speak at least 2 to 5 minutes, okay? If you are feeling comfortable to speak at least 2 minutes in front of mirror, then you should increase your timing to 5 minutes, okay? That is sufficient for you in your beginning, and you'll have to start speaking like this. That is the right way to do practice with alone. If you don't have any partner who can speak with you and who can do practice with you, is the best way to speak practice with your own self, okay? You just need to do like that. If you really want to speak English, then start today, not from tomorrow. Because of your excuses, you are delaying all the thing on the tomorrow, on like from the next month and next day, okay? Don't do like that. If you have got something valuable from this video, so please like, subscribe and share. So thank you for watching. See you in next video.